Working on my nephew's playhouse. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, it's a lot darker in there than I expected it to be. There we go. May need to cut another window. Hey, we're missing a screw. This screw needs to be dealt with.
Yeah, I know.
Right here.
Okay.
I'm doing interior inspection.
Reckon right here, but you place the handle.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. Here, shut it and give me the handle.
Here. Lay it up somewhere where you can get to it. Away from that one by there.
Away from the one by?
Away from this right here. Maybe give it like
okay.
And mark it on top and bottom and down the sides on the side next to the
Okay. Oh, what is wrong with that camera? Oh, there we go. Well, final video of my nephew's play cabin that we built from all pallet wood. We've still got all that pallet wood left. You got a little window. Pretty dark in there. Like, it don't look like it on camera, but it's darker in there in person. Got an overhanging roof on the front. Door's bigger than his. Then we get in here. Then we shut it. And he'll probably play with this for about a week and then be on to something else. But hey, kids, man. Kids. Glad I don't have any.
Seeing how you got this with the forks on, I hate to see how you travel the highway.